This is Grandma NeRoma McClure's homemade fudge recipe. And wish me luck because it's the first time I've ever recorded like this. My plate. I'm going to butter my plate. Okay. And right here I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I have a cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, a cup of water, a tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and my unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 ounces. First we're going to do, we're going to pour the milk in. Then the 2 cups of sugar. We're going to turn the oven on medium-high heat. The stove on medium-high heat. We're going to stir it with my wooden spoon. This is my favorite pan. I use this all the time. And my wooden spoon, spatula, whatever you want to call it. You're going to stir that in. Take us like almost to a liquid stage. Then you're going to take your squares and I just break them down. Then I wait for them to melt a little bit. Oh yeah, forgot my spoon. Let me turn my dishwasher off. So like I said, a cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, 4-ounce squares of chocolate. This is my favorite chocolate, the only chocolate I will use. Baker's Unsweet. Now I'm going to put my pinch of salt in. Brings up the flavor of the chocolate. This took me years and years to finally progress. Sometimes I'm good at it, sometimes I fail at it. Now I'm going to put my butter in it. I don't really have a recipe. I just go with what my grandma and mom showed me how to do it. So I kind of broke it down into a little bit of recipe here and there. We want to wait till it gets a soft boil. I have a candy thermometer. I'll show you my candy thermometer. My candy thermometer, yes, I have one. I use it once in a while. I use it to make divinity, and that is really about it. This, I use a cup of cold water and my spoon. I just let it go and go and go. Like I said, you want to get to a soft boil stage. It's going to start bubbling soon. The chocolate is almost melted together. You know, I've tried fudge in Keystone, South Dakota. They have these little fudge shops. I don't know why I buy it. Nothing as good as this. Just like I could go to Cabela's, buy their fudge there. I don't know why I do it, because I always regret it, because this is the best fudge. Maybe I'm just biased, who knows. I'm just going to let it go for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to take my spoon. I'm going to put a little bit in the water. I'm going to see if it forms a soft ball in the water. You take the water. Forget my cups. And you see if it hasn't made a ball yet. So I'm gonna rinse this out. Give it some more cold water. Sorry, I'm not the Food Network. And try it again to see if we get that softball stage. Sorry about the fast movements. And we are almost there. And we are at softball stage. It has formed a ball. It has formed a ball. You can make a ball. And I'll check one more time. It formed a ball again. You want softball stage. Now what you can do right now, if you want hot fudge for chocolate, you put this, same thing, you fill up your sink with cold water, and you put this right in a sink full of cold water. There you have the best hot fudge for ice cream. Now I'm going to bring you over here. And now here's the fun and hard part. We're going to beat it till there is no shine on the chocolate. Okay, first I'm going to put my vanilla in it. I'm going to puff up a little bit more because the alcohol and the vanilla and the alcohol. Now I'm going to stir until there is no shine. See how it's shiny right now? If you keep stirring and get enough air in it, the shine will go away. But it takes a long time. I'm going to get another spoon just to help dish it out better. When it loses its shine, it thickens up. Fingers crossed. Sometimes I called Bill in to help me. This is the pan I always make my fudge in. I'm going to bring this down here to stir it easier. Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Shine's still there. My grandma NeRoma McClure made this recipe. My mom's makes this recipe. I make this recipe. Now I'm giving it to my family. Still the shine. And it's burning my leg. Thank God there's a towel there. The shine is going away. It will be a dull color, not as shiny as it was. And that's when it starts setting up. And see, it's not so liquidified anymore. Is that a word? I hope so. And notice how hard it's getting to stir. That means it's ready to put on the plate. Grandma NeRoma's fudge recipe. There you go. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. I hope it comes out for you. It's all trial and error. Sometimes my recipes turn out, sometimes they don't. Love you guys. Miss you.